Hey, in this video I will show you how to fix the Snapchat videos not loading in 2023. This is a this is an issue that I used to have, but I managed to fix by implementing a few things. The first thing you want to do is hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. The second thing is going over to isitdownrightnow.com and checking if Snapchat is available globally. Maybe it's getting DDoSed or there's some network issues, but as you can see right now, Snapchat is up. If it's up for you, there's a few things you can do. The next thing you want to do is swipe up on your phone and type in App Store if you are on an iPhone and Google Play Store if you are on an Android device. So to actually fix the Snapchat videos not playing in 2023, you want to click on search. You want to click the search bar right here, type in Snapchat. And here you want to make sure there is no update available. So you want to have the latest version of Snapchat right here on your device. The next thing you can do is actually go over to your settings right here. From there, you want to navigate to your Wi-Fi. And if you're on mobile services or cellular services or cellular data, you want to switch to Wi-Fi. If you're already on Wi-Fi, make sure you switch to a better Wi-Fi connection. If that doesn't help, you want to click on General. You can go on Transfer Reset iPhone, click on Reset, and just reset the network settings. The next thing you can do is going over to iPhone storage right here, swiping up and typing in Snapchat, opening it up, and you can offload the app and then install it again. So that's pretty much all you can do. If you're still experiencing the issue, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll try to help you out. If I did help you out, give me a like, and if you're new, hit the subscribe button. See you next one. Bye.